Good evening everybody, I am back with my new science project, that is model making of a plant cell. Plant cell consists of various organelles. They are as follows, displayed in the model. Cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, ribosomes. I prepared with easily available household materials during lockdown. First I took a cardboard, cut it into a shape of rectangle and used it as a platform. Then I used that white sheet of paper, colored it with yellow and used it as a base. Then I used this thick string and pasted it as cell wall. Then I used the green quilling paper and used it as cell membrane. Now to make the nucleus, I used this newspaper. I folded it into a shape of ball and over it I used red quilling paper to show the chromosomes. Now to make the vacuole, I used this newspaper and folded it into a shape of cylinder and I covered it with an old cloth. Now to make the mitochondria, I used newspapers. I folded it into a shape of rectangle and I colored this portion with green. And I cutted them in the shape of oval. And I used this yellow clay to mark the crystals. So here in the model you can see I used both the red color newspaper and the green color newspaper. The red color newspaper, which is bigger in size, is the mitochondria with yellow color Play-Doh showing the crystals. And the green color newspaper, which is smaller in size, is showing the chloroplast. I used the pulses to show the granules in it. It contains chlorophyll. Now to make the endoplasmic reticulum, I used this string and pasted it over here as endoplasmic reticulum. Now to make the Golgi bodies, I used rubber bands, colored it with orange color and pasted it over here as Golgi bodies. Then I used pulses. I colored it with green color and I showed the ribosomes. Now I come to the functional part. The plant and animal cell are structurally similar, but there are more three things that are present in plant cell. They are: number 1, cell wall. It is dead, rigid, hard, thick. It provides the mechanical support and protection to the cell. Number 2, that is chloroplast. As I previously said that it has chlorophyll. It is responsible for the process of photosynthesis. Number 3, large centrally located vacuoles. It contains the cell sap. It stores different substances, mainly water. The organelles which are present in both plants and animal cells are: number 1, cell membrane. It is a semi-permeable membrane which controls the entrance and exit of molecules. Number 2, nucleus. It is the chemical controller of the cell. The chromosome here shows the DNA. DNA consists of genes which controls the behavior of the organism. Number 3, mitochondria. It is the energy reproducer of cell, while it produces the energy by cellular respiration. Number 4, that is endoplasmic reticulum. It is responsible for synthesis, transport and storage of proteins and lipids. Then Golgi bodies. It is responsible for secretion of enzymes and hormones. At last, that is ribosomes. It is responsible for producing proteins. Thank